Hey loves, Paula here in case you're new, and if you're returning, hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much guys for your continuous support. I do genuinely enjoy your company. If you're new here, please do subscribe, and if you've been here for quite some time, you've watched like more than 2 videos, 3 videos, 4 videos, and you're not subscribed, like come on, subscribe. Ever since Steffi started kindergarten, I feel like colds are not leaving me. 3 weeks ago I had a cold, got better, and now here we are again. Anyways, I don't really have much going on right now. I'm just gonna go and continue with editing the vlog that I'm editing right now. What are you doing? No, please take it back. No, take it back. You spoiled. Just got here. Steffi wants to pee. To another day in this vlog. So we came back yesterday a bit late, not very late, but it was a bit late because it was coming to 8 p.m. and because we're literally in winter, it gets dark quite early. By 4 it's already dark. I'll just see you guys when we are on our way to Ikea, because as for now I'm going to charge this battery as I eat and get dressed, because I'm just wearing home clothes. They're not warm enough. They're not like, because apparently it is too. So let's just go and eat. It's quite late, but I had a heavy breakfast and I was okay. Heavy breakfast, which was my smoothie, the regular smoothie. You guys, let me show you my my battery is warning me. You see that? Yeah, so I'll have to take out the battery and charge it. Anyways, let's go eat. Steffi, which Betty did you like most?
The blue one.
The blue one? Okay, let's go home. happened to your nose?
My nose was going, I was falling down.
You guys can see. Sorry, Mom. And then next, Steffi, say hi.